Dalawang max.
Times sa po to, times.
Okay.
Times ah. Times sa po to.
No,
Why?
because Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse alay ko yan. Lingon.
Which one can be true is that?
Asa may Mickey Mouse ana?
What is this?
What?
Where is missing the name?
1.
I don't know. What is that?
It says 1, 1. Okay. Next. Okay.
Not okay. I don't know the answer.
Si Daddy Toto lang eh.
Ay!
0.5 man na. 0.05. 0.5. What does it means?
Okay, what missing? 1?
2.
Correct.
1 up. 2. Missing.
It's a missing right there.
Equals 0.5. 1 half.
Next. And what's missing?
3. 3, correct?
Yes.
Lupigon po mo answer ah.
And 1 is missing.
4.
Correct.
Sorry ka. Okay? Ipacheck kay Mambing. Mambing.
Kung hindi Daddy Toto lang.
Ha?
Bibing hindi ka. Hindi ko.
Hindi ko kabalo. Ito
Yeah, kay-
gani ko no.
Hindi ko balo.
Teacher mo na siya. Teacher mo na siya.
What is this is already?
Ha? Kwento?
0.2.
I don't
Sa
know.
day na iya ha.
Di, 1.1 over ano ma?
1.5.
Ang answer, punto.
Hindi di, ang isi-balance ng kwento dito. I-fractionally mo.
Oh, ano da?
Ah,
O sige. 1, 5. Pag-answer sa 0.2.
di man kasi nakabalo.
Lalo si Daddy Toto. Daddy Toto.
I told you that's the answer.
Okay.
Why?
Because
Why is it 5?
it's 1 and 5. Because it's Mickey Mouse.
Ha?
Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse.
Decimal.
Ah, decimals?
Okay.
Ano man mo mami, beng man? Galibog, ulo ko sa imo to. Iwan to kamele?
No.
Doon na.
No.
Dali doon.
Nanda.
Ito yung sa babaw, dali doon. Dali doon gani. Dali doon. Sakay doon diyo. Tama sa picture doon.
I don't know, sit.
Hindi ka kakang pag-leader, onay? La. Tama dyan, libay ka rin na.